Hey there, welcome back. Today, I've lined up the absolute top teleprompters you need to see. From seamless performance to game-changing features, I've got you covered. Don't miss out. Check the description for today's best deals on these must-have teleprompters. 1. Glide Gear TMP100. The Glide Gear TMP100 receives mixed reviews from users. Some praise its sturdy build, praising the metal frame and quality reflector glass. Users appreciate its versatility for various recording setups, including DSLRs and smartphones. The padded, zippered case adds to its portability. However, challenges arise in the setup. Some find attaching the camera difficult, especially with the cloth hood obscuring the bracket. The need for additional accessories like a strong tripod and three-way pan and tilt head is highlighted, emphasizing the importance of checking specifications. Users stress the necessity of extra supplies, such as a tablet with a teleprompter app and a Bluetooth foot pedal for solo operations. Despite its reasonable price, users note design flaws. The placement of screws for mounting accessories and the non-adjustable stop for holding phones or tablets pose inconveniences. The product's bulkiness and weight are acknowledged, requiring a robust tripod for support. Some find the Velcro less adhesive, impacting the overall quality. In conclusion, the Glide Gear TMP100 stands as a budget-friendly option with its quality glass and versatile design, but potential buyers should be prepared for additional investments and address some design imperfections. 2. Desview T12. The teleprompter in question presents a mixed bag of impressions from users. On the positive side, many praise its sturdy build and ease of setup. Users appreciate its compatibility with various cameras, including DSLRs and smartphones, making it versatile for different shooting scenarios. The inclusion of a carry case is noted positively, offering protection during transportation. However, the reviews highlight significant drawbacks, primarily centered around the accompanying app and remote. Several users express frustration with the app's limitations, particularly its inability to import or copy-paste text, making text input a cumbersome process. The remote's functionality appears inconsistent, with some users resorting to alternative solutions like a Bluetooth keyboard for better control. The quality of the glass used in the teleprompter receives mixed feedback. While some users commend its clarity and ability to reflect text without loss of light intensity, others express dissatisfaction, citing eye strain and unclear text rendering as issues. Additionally, the case's design raises concerns as the folding mechanism positions a solid metal cube near the glass, potentially risking damage during transport. In conclusion, users acknowledge that the teleprompter offers a solid performance within its price range, but the limitations of the app and remote, coupled with concerns about glass quality and case design, suggest that it may not be the ideal choice for professional users or those requiring frequent field use. 3. Desview T3. The teleprompter received mixed reviews from users, with both positive and negative aspects highlighted. On the positive side, users praised the teleprompter's solid construction, minimal design, and ease of installation. The setup process, although requiring some time, was deemed relatively straightforward, taking about 20 minutes in total. However, several issues were raised. One user struggled with the teleprompter's compatibility with their camera monitor, as the included pieces did not stretch enough to accommodate anything larger than a phone. Additionally, the thickness and non-flat nature of many monitors posed challenges in securing a proper fit. Another significant concern was the presence of haze and glare caused by reflected light on the glass, affecting the overall video quality. Despite attempts to minimize the issue by adjusting monitor brightness and cleaning the glass, the problem persisted for some users. The teleprompter's functionality, once set up, was generally commended for its simplicity. Users appreciated the flexibility in displaying text through various apps, with the option of using a Bluetooth remote for manual scrolling. The inclusion of cold shoe mounting locations for accessories like lights and microphones was noted as a positive feature. While some users reported positive experiences with the teleprompter's ease of use, portability, and value for money, others expressed dissatisfaction with the product's app, remote control, and difficulty in setup. The reviews also indicated that the teleprompter may not be suitable for larger devices like the 10 Fire tablet, and there were suggestions for improvements in future versions, such as providing a 46mm option for prime and 43 lenses.